Alright, I had a friend give me this 5 set of spine cars. These are the updated ones. These are all metal with the pop-up studs here so that you can actually put containers on them, which is kind of neat. Uh, they're obviously in rough shape. We are going to, sorry for the blurriness, we are going to see if we can rebuild this into a 4-car set because this one in particular is missing this ball pitch, if that's what you want to call it, on the end like this, and until I can locate a part like that, it's not going to be usable. So I'm going to pull some parts off, make this complete set, put a bunch of stuff back together, see if we can get it to run, and go from there. Alright, there's 4 cars rebuilt. Not bad. I'll need to find and print, or just print, extra details later, like handrails for the grabs on the 2 ends, but hey, at a minimum, we have a 4-car set now, and I can maybe find spare parts for the 5th one over there at some point, turn it back into a 5-car set. Let's go give it a test run. Alright, test run was successful. Let's talk quick about things that I did. This got some washers under the front truck to space that because the axle here on this wheel was sliding on the frame underneath. So that helped. It also helped raise our coupler height up almost to what it should be. We're not quite perfect. Let's see if I can move a little closer. You can see we're a little low, but not enough to notice a whole lot, so that's okay. New plates were glued on to a few of these. This one, a couple others. So they were glued on. Let's see, some of these got replaced side, whatever you want to call those, trays, axle trays, wheel trays, for if you put a container truck on there. That's what that's for. We had to replace some of the pop-out spindles on the side where your containers would fit into the holes. This one on the end is the only one that has these right now. These are working flip up, flip down container holders like this. That is so that you can split that into two 20-foot containers, and then, like I mentioned, those flip up, and so you can flip those up on all of these and get them to be supporting for containers. That's about it. I need to find a brake wheel still for this one. You can see the coupler height here is actually a little low as well, so we're going to have to work on that too, but overall, runs pretty smooth. Not bad for free, right? Hope you guys liked it. Just something quick to show you, just some minor projects on the layout, and we'll catch you next time.